Hi my friends, today is August 29, 2021, and I'm glad to welcome you again on our experimental field. To tell you the truth, I've got some sunburns as you can see, and it was a long and full of hard work day, so I'm gonna put in a nutshell what we've done today. So first, we've assembled and installed our bypass piping that would allow us to regulate the supply of calcium and water to our experimental areas. And second, we finally delivered the first dose of calcium to the areas where it had been supposed to be applied. So yeah, thank you for your attention.